Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollars. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, then make sure you subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, press the bell notification, and below the video you'll find some links. It says join free Telegram channel. So go and join this Telegram channel if you want some free signals, and check out the brokers. Sign up with these brokers, start your trading journey, and especially if you want to trade with my signals, then have a separate account and go and join these brokers. Okay, do what it takes, because I am doing all this for free. Okay, so we either work as a team or I don't work at all. Okay, so if I'm giving you this thousands and thousands of dollars content for free, then do what you are being told, because it's your responsibility to support the channel and work as a team. It's not only my responsibility to come and give this to you for free. Okay, I'm not doing this for myself. I'm not teaching myself. Okay, so join Telegram and join these brokers especially, and then trade and do whatever you like. So coming back to the chart, starting with top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are what? We are downtrend. Okay, so weekly, I think we have started the collapse. Time will tell. Okay, but last week I told you, if you go and watch my Sunday's video on Euro USD, that's the only video I recorded this week. So if you go and see, I told you that this week will be red. Okay, when I saw this weekly candle, then I told you this week will be red. Red means will go down, and that's what exactly happened. So Sunday was what date? Let me check my calendar. So 14, 13, 13, 13, 13 is the this candle, this candle, this candle, this candle. 13 was, I think, holiday. Okay, so let's say if you entered on the Monday morning. Okay, if you entered on Monday morning, the price was 1665, and you could see if you came all the way down here, 1570. Okay, easily 100 pips you made if you listened to me on Sunday last video. Anyways, so now we are starting a new collapse downtrend. Okay, because dollar is also in the uptrend, but dollar will take a pullback before continuing the uptrend. Similarly, euro will take a pullback in daily before going down further. Okay, euro is still not below the EMA, but GBP is. So GBP euro works same way, which means if GBP is already below the EMA, then we should continue going down further in euro as well. Okay, but before that, a pullback will happen. Okay, so use your Fibonacci tool from here till here in the downtrend. Then pullback will happen maybe 50%, and then we'll go further down. Okay, so in daily, I still think we'll touch the EMA. Okay, so I will not enter buy right now, because I still think in daily chart we might touch the EMA and then reject it and then go and continue the pullback, but time will tell. So let's come back to 4 hour. 4 hour, we are below the EMA already, and we have made a new low. So this merely could be a pullback, and we might go down again. Okay, so I'm not entering long until this high is broken in this 4 hour. Okay, so if you are looking for the counter trade in pullback, then don't enter long until this high is broken. So once this high is broken, then pullback, then you go up. Okay, otherwise, as per the current setup, this was the downtrend pullback, and we just have to go down now. So I would probably wait for one more red candle if I have to. So this candle, if it's red, then we should go down. Okay, because understand that trend is down in 4 hour, and dollar has also gone up. Okay, so yeah, establish your correlation, and as I said earlier, just a minute ago, that I'm still expecting the dollar to touch this EMA. But you have to remember as well, today is Friday. Friday is like not much movement in the market. Okay, so keep an eye, and mainly look into the 4 hour. 4 hour looks to me, downtrend, pullback, and we should go down again. So look for shorts. That's what I will tell you. And if you like what you see, then subscribe, like, share the video, join Telegram, and join these brokers and support the channel. And I'm not doing this paid right now. So if it is free, this is still worth thousands of dollars content. Okay, free doesn't mean it's worth less. Free means you're getting for free for now. So do what it takes. Support as in join the broker, subscribe, like, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care.